Everyone, in today's video we will see how to turn on the Kogan TV without remote, power on without remote control guide. Method 1. Use the physical power button. Most Kogan TVs have a built-in power button located in one of these places. So open the lower back panel of the TV. Under the center of the screen, along the side edge of the TV, press the power button once to turn the TV on. Some Kogan's model place the buttons underneath or behind the TV, making it difficult to spot. Method 2. Use a smartphone as a remote. So install the Google TV app on your Android phone or iPhone. Then make sure the phone and TVs are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then open the app and select your TV. Now use the virtual remote to control the TV. Kogan also provides support for remote control through Android TV remote feature. So goodbye and thanks for watching.